guys, it's Young Kid right here. Welcome back channel. Last time I showed you guys around the herb farm J in Hangzhou City to try a lot of amazing Chinese food. And today I'm gonna teach you how to order Chinese food like a boss in 10 seconds. You ready? Let's go! 哦，太不可思议了！今天我要教大家怎么样在中国餐厅学会点菜。有点意思。Show me. There are a lot of famous Chinese dishes. For example, if you want to order 黄焖鸡米饭 but if you don't know how to say this word, 在中国有好多名菜。如果说你想要点黄焖鸡米饭的时候，你却不知道怎么说，那你就可以用音译来形容黄焖鸡米饭。Let me show you how to order it now. 美女，给我上一盆黄焖鸡米饭。鸡米饭。Where's the rice? What about drinks? 老板，我要一个冰红茶。这就 West 大吉啦 ，West 大吉。Wow， 那你可真是深藏 blue。猕猴桃 is kiwi fruit, and you can say it 猕猴桃。Hey, don't show your teeth when you smile. 笑 blues. And other dishes like 宫保鸡丁 you can say 宫保鸡丁。Wow, is that what make this chicken? And 鱼香肉丝 you can just say that 鱼香 roast. And 麻辣烫麻辣烫啊，所以我们这些都是有备而来的。When it comes to 西安 it's gonna remind you Chinese burger. It's called 肉夹馍. And if you cannot say that word, just say 肉夹 With the moo, you eat the Chinese burger at night time. 肉夹 Alright thanks guys, if you like my video, remember to give me a like and also subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.